The weather is so hot today. How about going to the swimming pool to cool off?
That sounds like a great idea. I could use a refreshing swim.
Which swimming pool should we go to?
Let's go to the public pool near the park. It's usually not too crowded and has a nice area for sunbathing.
Do we need to bring anything specific for the swimming pool?
We should bring our swimsuits, towels, sunscreen, and flip-flops. It's also a good idea to bring some water and snacks.
What time should we go to the swimming pool?
It's usually less crowded in the morning, so let's aim to go around 10 a.m.
How long does it take to get to the swimming pool?
It's about a 15-minute drive from here, so we should leave by 9:45 a.m. to make sure we get a good spot.
Is there an entrance fee for the swimming pool?
Yes, there is an admission fee. We should bring some cash to cover that.
Should we bring any swimming accessories like goggles or floaties?
If you have any, it's a good idea to bring them. They can enhance the swimming experience, especially if you're not a strong swimmer.
Are there any rules or regulations we need to be aware of at the swimming pool?
Yes, we should follow the pool's rules such as no running, no diving in shallow areas, and showering before entering the pool.
Can we bring our own snacks and drinks to the pool?
It depends on the pool's policies. We should check if they allow outside food and drinks or if there's a designated area for that.
Is there a specific time limit for how long we can stay at the pool?
Generally, there isn't a strict time limit, but it's courteous to give others a chance to enjoy the pool too. We can plan to stay for a few hours.
Are there lifeguards on duty at the swimming pool?
Yes, there are lifeguards stationed at the pool for safety. However, we should still be cautious and swim within our abilities.
Should we bring extra towels or a change of clothes?
It's a good idea to bring an extra towel or two, and a change of clothes so that we can dry off and change before leaving the pool.
Is there a place to store our belongings while we swim?
Yes, most swimming pools have lockers or designated areas to keep our belongings safe. We should bring a lock to secure our valuables.
Can we bring our own pool float or inflatable toys?
It's best to check with the pool's regulations. Some pools allow small inflatables, while others may have specific restrictions.
Are there shower and changing facilities at the swimming pool?
Yes, there are usually showers and changing rooms available for use. We can rinse off before and after swimming.
What time should we plan to leave the swimming pool?
Let's plan to leave around 2 p.m. That way, we can grab some lunch and have the afternoon free for other activities.
I'm excited to go swimming. It's going to be a fun day.
Absolutely. I can't wait to dive into the cool water and enjoy the day at the pool.